My name's Nick. I do ICT support service desk for St Catherine's School, Sydney. So supporting roughly 1,200 students and over 100 staff members. Students forgetting their devices any given day. Obviously students break their devices, they need to be sent for repairs, providing loan devices. Students will come in middle of a school day and their device has gone flat, needs to be charged, all that sort of stuff. It's a shared frustration against everyone involved, because for us it's sort of taking time out of our day for, I guess at its core it's a fairly simple task, but it's quite time consuming. For the students, obviously, for one reason or another, they're missing out on class time with their device, because almost all their lessons now use their computers in one way or another. And then for the teachers, obviously the frustration of their students left the class to come see us and they're coming back without a device, or they're with us for 10-20 minutes while we're sorting it out. It's quite impressive in that a student could come and just drop off, for example, they've broken their device, go through the kiosk, and within a matter of minutes they've effectively handed over to us their broken device for us to deal with when we get a chance, and they're back to class with a loan device straight away. It frees up our time for us to handle their issue, I guess, at more of a low peak time when our time can be better utilised elsewhere. And obviously for them and the teachers, like, they're out of class for minutes instead of, I guess, extended periods up to half an hour. So it seems like a win-win.